Welcome. Keep watching to see how I did this amazing Bantu knots in my hair and also how I take it out, and you can see the beautiful process. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys on how I create this simple natural look with Bantu knots. Very small Bantu knots, but it's going to be very fast, very detailed video. So I hope you like this video, and please, as always, subscribe to my channel, notification bell, and like this video, which allow me to create more videos for you guys. So keep watching. Right, so before we get started, you have to go ahead first and detangle your hair, and also you're gonna follow up to blow dry your hair. I blow dry my hair without any heat. If you are gonna use heat, just try to use minimum heat, like medium kind of heat, you know, because you don't want to put heat on your hair to damage your beautiful crown in your head. So let's go ahead and blow dry your hair without no heat or medium heat. And yeah, I'm gonna continue doing the hair, so just keep watching. Thanks for watching. America. From Rovio to Jersey, yeah. From New York to Miami, yeah. From Lagos to Vegas, yeah. Anaka, America, Here I'm going to be using these two products right here. Most of you guys are familiar with this. You guys know my English is not good. Okay, familiar with this. Walmart. Yeah. And I'm going to be using this also because it's almost finished, and I want to just finish it all because I'm cheap. I finish everything. So yeah, you can get this at Walmart. I'm going to use this styling right here. I mean, blowout is the word. I'm doing some very small Bantu knot here, so I've already done this one. So I'm going to do an example, right? A detail close up. So first I'm going to twist the hair. You just put it, you're not doing like a twist, you're just wrapping the hair like this. So you do a tiny piece first, like I went to the middle, and then you can see it's gonna start curving, like the way you did here. It will start curving this, and you're just gonna like hold the edge and just keep twisting. You keep twisting, and then you keep turning it. Keep twisting, and you keep turning it. You twist, and then you turn, and then you just turn. You just go in like that. Just like that. Perfect. So I'm just gonna apply my styling. I also have already applied that on the front one. I just it was just kind of dried up a little bit. So hopefully this can focus. As you can see, I'm just twisting, and it's gonna start kind of folding, like right here. As you can see, this is a very small Bantu knot. As you can see, the part is also very small. Look at this, is this much hair I'm using, and your parts don't have to be as big as this. Just a little bit, and just like dab it here. You can see I'm all done with the Bantu knots, tiny ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mousse in there, and then we can go ahead and wrap it up. Well, wear my bonnet, which will be in the description box below, and yeah, take it off in the morning. See you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do this spray, a lot of body, It's not sponsored, but they can really sponsor me though. As you can see, it's a lot. Go ahead and put your bonnet on. This is the Henricka bonnet. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below on where I get this bonnet, so that way you can also get yourself some. Yes, this bonnet, as you can see, is so stylish and it's free, so your hair will be free in here. It can breathe all night. Yeah, this is the Henricka Beauty bonnet. So I'll see you guys in the morning once I'm gonna undo this Bantu knot, and you guys can see. Final product. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. So you can see the shrinkage. It's not that much of a shrinkage, but it's there. It's there. I love it. Oh my god, like this is just how it turns out to be. Actually, I just undo it. I didn't do any combing or nothing, and I just trying to make a little part right here. Even with the other part, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it.